Unleash your creativity with Sora AI, the revolutionary text-to-video generator, and create stunning visuals in minutes. This beginner's guide will walk you through the fundamentals of Sora AI, making video creation accessible to everyone. First, let's dive into the heart of Sora AI. Prompt engineering. This is where you tell the AI exactly what you want to see. Start with a clear and descriptive sentence. Think about your subject, its actions, its environment, and even the mood you want to convey. Breaking down your prompt into key elements like subject, verb, and modifiers helps Sora understand your vision more precisely. For instance, instead of just a dog, try a golden retriever puppy playfully chasing a red ball in a sunny park. The more detail you provide, the more the AI can bring your ideas to life, generating unique and compelling video clips. Beyond basic descriptions, you can experiment with different camera angles, lighting, and artistic styles for truly cinematic results. Think wide shot, golden hour lighting, or cinematic. Experimentation is key. Play around with different phrasing, add adjectives, and observe how each change influences the generated video. With these basic techniques, you're ready to start your Sora AI journey and transform your imagination into dynamic video content. Happy creating.